Welcome to this comprehensive guide on retail Internet of Things, focusing on smart stores and inventory management. Today, retail is being transformed by three powerful technologies: radio frequency identification, or RFID, Bluetooth beacons, and smart sensors. These technologies are revolutionizing how stores operate, how inventory is managed, and most importantly, how customers experience shopping. Throughout this presentation, you'll discover how these Internet of Things solutions are making retail smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Retail Internet of Things refers to the network of connected devices, sensors, and technologies that collect and exchange data to improve store operations, enhance customer experiences, and optimize inventory management. At its core, Retail IoT creates a connected ecosystem where devices communicate seamlessly. Smart shelves talk to inventory systems, cameras analyze customer behavior, and sensors monitor everything from temperature to foot traffic. The real power lies in real-time data. Instead of waiting for end-of-day reports, retailers get instant insights into inventory levels, customer movement, and operational efficiency. This leads to better customer experiences with personalized shopping and faster checkout, while simultaneously boosting efficiency through automated processes that reduce costs and save valuable time. Radio frequency identification, or RFID, uses electromagnetic fields to automatically identify and track tags attached to products. Think of it as an advanced barcode that doesn't need to be seen or scanned individually. Each product receives a unique RFID tag that stores product information and can be read wirelessly from a distance. The benefits are substantial. For inventory tracking, stores can scan hundreds of items simultaneously without needing line of sight, making stock counts incredibly fast and accurate. Checkout becomes almost instant with walkthrough scanning that eliminates the need to scan individual items. Anti-theft systems automatically detect unpaid items leaving the store. Real-time updates provide instant data on product movement, location, and availability throughout the entire supply chain. The accuracy improvement is remarkable, reducing human error in inventory counts from the typical 95% accuracy to 99% or higher. Bluetooth beacons are small wireless transmitters that communicate with nearby smartphones to deliver location-based messages, offers, and personalized experiences to shoppers. These tiny devices create a bridge between the physical store and digital customer engagement. When a customer with a store app walks near a beacon, personalized offers can be sent directly to their phone when they approach specific products or departments. Indoor navigation guides customers to products they're searching for with turn-by-turn directions, just like GPS, but inside the store. Mobile payments become seamless with contactless checkout and automatic loyalty program integration. The benefits are compelling. Studies show customer engagement can increase by 60%. Retailers can track customer movement and dwell time to understand shopping patterns better. Conversion rates improve significantly with timely, relevant promotions delivered at the perfect moment. The analytics gathered provide valuable insights into shopping behavior. Best of all, beacons are low cost, easy to deploy throughout stores, work with existing customer mobile apps, and have battery life of 2 to 3 years. Smart sensors are the eyes and ears of modern retail stores, monitoring everything that happens. Let's explore 4 key types. Footfall sensors track the number of customers entering, exiting, and moving through different store areas. They enable customer counting and traffic pattern analysis, help with queue management and staff allocation, and provide crucial conversion rate data. Computer vision uses AI-powered cameras to analyze customer behavior, detect out-of-stock items, and monitor shelf conditions in real time. Applications include shelf monitoring to ensure planogram compliance, heat mapping to show where customers spend time, and even automated checkout systems. Weight sensors in smart shelves detect when products are picked up or restocked, triggering automatic alerts. They enable real-time inventory monitoring, send automatic reorder notifications, and help with theft detection and prevention. Finally, environmental sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and air quality to ensure optimal storage conditions. They're critical for refrigeration monitoring and alerts, energy consumption optimization, and maintaining compliance documentation for food safety regulations. Modern smart inventory management combines all these technologies into a powerful system. The process flows through 3 stages. First, data collection happens as sensors gather real-time inventory data across all store locations and throughout the supply chain. Next, artificial intelligence analysis takes over, where machine learning algorithms predict demand patterns and optimize stock levels based on historical data, seasonal trends, and even weather forecasts. Finally, automation kicks in as the system automatically triggers restocking orders and sends alerts to staff when action is needed. The performance improvements are remarkable. Inventory accuracy rates reach 99%, virtually eliminating counting errors. Stockouts are reduced by 30%, meaning fewer disappointed customers and lost sales. Excess inventory drops by 25%, freeing up capital and storage space. Inventory counts become 40% faster, freeing staff for customer service. Manual tasks that once consumed hours now take 50% less time. Perhaps most impressive, sales can increase by 20% simply from having the right products available when customers want them. Internet of Things technology fundamentally transforms the customer experience in 4 key areas. The shopping journey becomes personalized with product recommendations based on browsing history and current location. Interactive Store maps guide customers to desired products instantly. Smart mirrors in fitting rooms suggest complementary items and alternative sizes. Mobile app integration enables seamless wishlist and cart management throughout the store. Frictionless checkout eliminates the biggest pain point in retail. Walkout technology lets customers grab items and leave with automatic payment processing. Self-checkout with mobile scanning reduces wait times to under 1 minute. Contactless payment options include digital wallets and QR codes. Loyalty points and rewards are automatically applied at the point of sale. Personalization reaches new levels with dynamic pricing and exclusive offers triggered when customers approach certain products. Purchase history analysis delivers relevant product suggestions. Real-time notifications alert customers when wishlist items are restocked or on sale. The store layout view can even be customized based on individual shopping preferences. Support and service improve dramatically as smart alerts notify staff when customers need assistance in specific aisles. Interactive kiosks provide instant product information and reviews. Virtual assistants help locate products and answer questions. Real-time inventory visibility prevents the disappointment of discovering items are out of stock after searching for them. Let's examine how real retailers have succeeded with Internet of Things implementations. A major fashion retailer deployed RFID tags on all clothing items across 500 stores for real-time inventory tracking and automated checkout. Results included 98% inventory accuracy improvement, 65% faster inventory counts, 25% increase in sales from better stock availability, and 30% reduction in checkout time. A grocery chain installed smart shelves with weight sensors and computer vision cameras to monitor perishable goods and automate reordering. They achieved 40% reduction in food waste, 90% decrease in out-of-stock incidents, $2.5 million in annual savings on inventory costs, and 35% improvement in customer satisfaction scores. An electronics store rolled out a Bluetooth beacon network to send personalized offers and guide customers via their mobile app. They saw 55% increase in app engagement, 28% higher conversion rate on promoted items, 42% more customers enrolled in the loyalty program, and 18% increase in average transaction value. A department store combined RFID, beacons, and AI-powered cameras for complete store automation, including cashierless checkout zones. Results included 70% reduction in checkout wait time, 45% decrease in labor costs, 60% improvement in theft prevention, and 50% increase in customer throughput. While the benefits are clear, implementation does face challenges. High initial investment is often the first concern. Internet of Things infrastructure requires significant upfront costs for hardware, software, installation, and system integration. The solution is a phased implementation approach. Start with pilot stores to prove return on investment before full rollout. Prioritize high-impact areas like checkout and inventory first. Use cloud-based solutions to reduce infrastructure costs. Partner with vendors offering flexible payment models. Data privacy and security is another major challenge. Collecting customer location and behavior data raises privacy concerns and requires robust cybersecurity. The solution is a privacy-first framework. Implement end-to-end encryption for all data transmission. Obtain explicit customer consent with transparent policies. Anonymize customer data wherever possible. Conduct regular security audits and maintain compliance certifications. System integration complexity can be daunting. Connecting Internet of Things devices with existing point-of-sale systems, inventory management software, and enterprise resource planning platforms is technically challenging. A standardized integration strategy helps. Use API-first platforms with pre-built connectors. Choose vendors with proven integration capabilities. Implement middleware for seamless data flow. Conduct comprehensive testing before full deployment. Staff training and adoption shouldn't be overlooked. Employees need training on new technologies, and resistance to change can slow adoption. Comprehensive change management is key. Provide hands-on training programs with ongoing support. Demonstrate how technology makes jobs easier, not redundant. Create technology champions among existing staff. Gather feedback continuously and iterate on the implementation. The retail Internet of Things landscape is evolving rapidly with emerging technologies set to transform shopping even further. AI-powered stores will use advanced machine learning to predict customer needs and automate entire store operations from stocking to dynamic pricing. Augmented reality shopping will let customers visualize products in their homes and try items virtually before purchasing, blending digital and physical retail. Drone inventory systems with autonomous drones will conduct inventory audits and monitor warehouse stock levels 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Blockchain tracking will provide complete supply chain transparency from manufacturer to customer with tamper-proof product authentication. Voice commerce through voice-activated shopping assistants will help customers find products and complete purchases hands-free. Sustainability Internet of Things will optimize energy use, reduce waste, and track environmental impact across all retail operations. The key takeaway is this: retail Internet of Things is not just about technology. It's about creating seamless experiences that delight customers, improving operational efficiency that boosts profitability, and building customer loyalty that drives long-term success. Retailers who embrace these innovations today will lead the market tomorrow. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide to retail Internet of Things, smart stores, and inventory management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.